Hey everyone, welcome back to the A1 Coding. In today's video, we will be making this beautiful web page, and after that we will make it fully responsive from the computer screens to smartphones. If you're ready, let's get started. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next challenge. First, let's open VS Code. If you use any other editor, that's alright. Let's create an HTML file. This is going to be the title, and in the body section let's create a main class. Inside the main class let's create a navbar, and below that we will have our hero section. I have separated the hero section into two parts, left side and the right side. In the left side we will have an h1 and a p tag, and of course a button. Let's give a class of sign up to this button, and on the right side we will have an image. Let's see. This is our web page. Let's change some styles. Let's create our CSS file. First we have to link it. Use the link tag. Now some basic codes, like we don't want the padding margin, and we want the box sizing, border box. By the way, I'm using Poppins font. You can use any other font you want, and I'm setting the font size 10 pixels because I'm using RAM throughout this video. At the end of the video, when we make our web page responsive, you will see how much using RAM will come in handy. Let's change some styling to the body section. Let's give some styling to the main div. The logo and the button will have the same width. We don't want any border for the button. Let's give a box shadow. I'm giving a black color and then I'm lowering the opacity. Now let's give some styling to the hero section. A width of 100% and a height of 90%. Now let's give a width of 50 to the left side and the right side. Let's change some styling of the left side. For the button, I'm giving a border radius of 4 because we want the edges to be round. And of course we will give a box shadow. Let's see, beautiful. We have to change the alignment. So let's center the image as well on the right side. Now it's time for the other section. I'm giving a class of cards to the other section. We will have 3 more cards, and I've separated the card into left and right so we can give styling to them. For the first card, on the left side we will have an H1 and P tag, and on the right side we will have an image, but on the second card we will have the image on the left and the text on the right. Let's see. So we have all the images and text, but we have to change some styling. Let's select the cards. We have 3 of these card leaves, and we will have the same styling for each, and giving a box shadow. The left and right will be the same, giving a width of 50% and a height of 100%. I'm selecting the images side. For the first one it's on the right, and for the last one also right, but for the second one is on the left. So I'm selecting all of them. So let's center all the images. Let's change the height of these images. I'm giving a 70% height. It looks good. It looks good. Now let's create another div, and I'm giving a class of community. So basically it will have a container. Inside this container we will have an h2 tag and a button. Now let's change some styling. I'm giving a display of flex and justify content center, align item center, so the container will be position center. Let's give a box shadow to this container div that we have. I'm giving a black color and lowering the opacity. And for the button, we had one of these. Let's find it. I'm copying the same styling. Let's have a hover animation on this button. The background color will change when we hover. So for the previous button we didn't have a hover animation, so let's add it. We will have the same animation on the first button as well. So as we can see, it's working. For the last section, it's the footer. We will have 3 divs inside this footer. let's change some styles. Let's select the footer. Let's change the styles of divs inside the footer. The huddle div will have 40% width, while the social media and the features will have 30%. Let's give a class of logo to this image. Let's change the icon size for all of them. Now let's give some style to the features tab. For the features, I'm using a display of grid. So the footer looks great. But for this community div, let's change the position. So the web page looks great, but now let's make it responsive. for the tablet screens, we will change some stylings. for smaller screens, let's change the padding to 5 frame. Before it was 10, so we don't want that padding. Our web page is fully responsive. That's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.